Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and this class is going to be for 8th grade. So this is 6th grade. Sorry, 6th grade. This is the class for you. So let's first make the introduction. Okay. So remember this class today. Remember today we need to write the date. So today it's June 28th. So you need to write, in your book, you're gonna write that. Where is your book? Where is it? I'm looking for the book. All right, so you are going to write in this part, the listening part, okay? So you're gonna write July 28th, 2020, and the class for today is 6th grade, and the topic is listening class, listening class. Remember, listening is very, very important. You need to listen in your house around 1 hour. Okay, in your case, it's necessary to listen English every day 1 hour. How or what? Okay, it's very simple. Something that you can listen, for example, is the song that you are going to learn. I mean, you are going to learn the song. I think so for you, it's Hey Jude. Yesterday. So yesterday, you need to listen, the song yesterday. Then you can watch the video, Jacob's video, and then you listen Jacob's video 1 or 2 or 3 times, okay? Good, that's what I need you to do it. Now, let's start with something I think is possible for you to do. It is about the YouTube. We're gonna work in the song yesterday. Remember yesterday, all my troubles so far away. Remember, if you listen English, if you listen music, if you listen my videos, you can understand pretty well English. So let's start with this song. It's spectacular because it has many covers. So no, it's for you. It could be simple for you. I like this, but you can choose one of them. I mean, it's not necessarily my video. Listen. All right. Now you're listening. Yes, you got this. So you need to listen in your house this, and then you're listening and listening and listening the song. Now it looks adult. Oh, I believe in yesterday. And so on. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly, I'm not half the girl, in this case, girls, I used to be. Okay? But it's possible to say man. Okay? There is a shadow hanging over me. All right? So I wanted to demonstrate you that it's possible to listen. Yes. So hold on one moment. Continue the class. So activity 1, listen English in your house, listen in music. In your case that you are listening. All right? Good. Very good. Very good. Now, let's go for the class. Today we have a special class. It is about listening class. So you need to do the activities 1, 2, and 3. All right? So today, let's do this pronunciation class. We're not going to do that. So we're going to complete the exercise 1, 2, 3. All right. So notice this. Listening. This is an idea how you need to do. I'm sorry. So this is an idea how you need to do the listening skill. So today the class is listening, and we are going to do activity 1, 2, and 3 in this page 81. Okay? So listening class, so this is an idea how you need to understand. Listening for places names. When you look at the map, so this is a map, look, map, entertainment center, Pandins Marker, Chinatown, and Capitol Theater, Hyde Park, and Sydney Opera House, Royal Botanic Gardens, and Sydney Harbour, and Sydney Museum, and okay, and so on. So you look at the map and are pronounced. So how places names are pronounced, this makes easier to organize the name when you hear. So you hear the names of the places that we hear in the map, and what you need to do is activity 1, you need to look at the map. This is the map. So look at the map and learn about aquatic life. Okay. So look at the map, mark, tick places where you can do these activities. So if you, in your case, you can do this activity, learn about aquatic life, you tick. Tick is this, okay? See unusual plants, okay? And watch a play, okay? You do it. So according to that, so let's do it. Let's come on, let's go. So you're gonna listen and you are going to tick. All right. So according to this, listening, let's do this listening. So according to this listening, let's go. So this is a listening 37. This is between receptionist and mother, and teen girl too. Okay, so there are three characters in this listening. Let's start. Receptionist. Good morning, mother. Hi, good morning. We would like some information about the city, please. Receptionist. Okay, here is a city attractions map. Teen girl. That looks fun. Receptionist. Yes, that's the Sea Life Aquarium. Teen girl. Is that open all day? Receptionist. Yes, it opens at 9:30 and closes at 6 p.m. Let me give you a brochure. The subway is not very expensive, so it's a good way to move around the city. Tinger, thanks. Receptionist. There are also some lovely parks. Hyde Park is beautiful. You can rent a bicycle there and cycle around it. Teen girl, teen boy. Cool. What about music stores? Receptionist. The Rocks is a good idea for interesting stores. The teen boy. How do we get there? Receptionist. You can take a train. The train station is near the park. You can get tickets there. Mother. Okay. Are there any boat trips for the harbor? Receptionist. Yes. You can take a ferry. Mother, that sounds fun. And what about at night? Receptionist. Well, the opera house is a good place to go. They have music and theater and movies. There is a really nice restaurant too. Mother, is that easy to go? to get there? Receptionist, yes. There is a bus stop just outside the hotel. The bus is every 20 minutes and it takes you to go to the opera house, or you can take a taxi. Mother, fantastic. Thank you very much. Receptionist, have a nice day. So this is the listening, okay? So according to this listening, you're gonna do this exercise. For example, look at the map and where you can do these activities. All right. So, for example, learn about aquatic life. So you can do it now in Bogota. You can do it in Santa Marta, for example, something like that. See unusual plants. If you go to Amazonas, for example, or you go to the forest. Now, listen and circle the attraction the hotel receptionist mentioned it. All right, so notice this. See live, opens 9, and what time close. So you need to listen, and then you have to answer here. Number 3. Let me see. Let me read for you the last time, and then we complete this. Remember, this is for you. Where you go shopping malls in Bogota, for example, eat Chinese food. You can go if there are some restaurant in La Calera, so you can buy Chinese food. So let's go to this. So see live. Notice this. So this is a conversation. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, good morning. We'll like some information about the city. Receptionist. Oh, okay. Here is a city attractions map. And teen girls, this look fun. Yes, that's the sea life aquarium. And is that open all day? Receptionist. Yes, it opens at 9:30. Is this opens at 9:30? And closes at 6 p.m. All right, closes at 6 p.m. So let me give you the brochure. The subway is not very expensive, so you got way to move around the city. The girl, thanks, the receptionist. There are also some lovely parks. Hyde Park is beautiful, so you can rent a bicycle, then cycle around it. Teen boy, cool. And what about music stores? Music stores opens the house. So what about music stores? The receptionist. The Rocks is a good area for interesting stores. How do we get there? You can take a train, and the train station is near the park, so you can get there 2 tickets there. Mother, okay, another boat trip for the harbor? Receptionist, yes. You take a ferry? Mother, that sounds fun. What about at night? Receptionist, well, the opera house is a good place to go. There have music, theaters, and movies. There is a really nice restaurants too. Mother, is that easy to get? Receptionist, yes, there is a bus stop outside the hotel. The bus is every 20 minutes. It takes Opera House, or you can take a taxi. Fantastic, that's very good. Thank you very much. Receptionist, nice. It's good to help you. All right. So according to this listening, so remember you can put pause and then you repeat and then you complete this. I know this is complicated in some ways. So the rocks, it's good for the boys, a transport train station near the, where is the train station? So you listen, you reward this video, and then you can listen the answer and write here, okay? Good. So don't forget, this is for you. This is only the exercise. By the way, so see you next class. Bye-bye, teacher Jacob. Okay? So take care and do this listening class. Okay? Thank you very much.